One of the most common vehicles on the road today is the F150. The 3.5 liter EcoBoost is a great motor with one well-known issue: exhaust manifold leaks. I'm going to tell you what Ford did wrong and how we fixed it. Stay tuned. If you have a 3.5 liter EcoBoost and haven't replaced your manifolds, it's only a matter of time. The 2011 to 2016 EcoBoost on the Ford 3.5 liter has an inherent design flaw, which leads to exhaust leak failures. Only 8 of the 11 stud locations are utilized by Ford. This leads to warped manifolds, broken exhaust studs, and blown manifold gaskets. But don't worry, BD has made a solution. On the Ford manifolds, what happens is this stud ends up breaking and subsequently down the line, and you'll have exhaust coming out of here, coming out this way, big soot marks along the cylinder head, and that's where your exhaust leaks and the failure happens. What we did on the BD one is we actually end up using 1, 2, 3 more stud locations. You can see on the gasket, it's already set up and has the stud locations available. You don't need to drill anything. The job's done. You hold it in this gasket or this port in place by 2 more additional studs, solves the exhaust leak failure. BD Ford 3.5 liter exhaust manifolds are also made from thicker walled, high silicone ductile iron and are designed to resist thermal warping. Each manifold has been gasket matched and designed using 3D flow simulations to optimize flow from the engine to the turbocharger. We actually increased the size of the outlet port. As you can see, I'll compare it to the OEM Ford one. You can see it's way too small from the factory. We just made it the way it should have been with actually spending effort and time. The OEM one, the soot remaining there, you can see how restrictive it is on the OEM manifold. So our key goal for this entire manifold is to build it the way it should have been done from the factory in the first place. What we also include in the kit are 22 brand new studs, spacers, and lock nuts. That's longer than the OEM ones. Gives you better thermal resistance to again increase that lifespan. We have 2 main kits. One kit includes 2 gaskets, studs, spacers, nuts, and the 2 manifolds. So that gives you everything manifold-wise. We also have an install kit, and that will give you the stud install tool, the extra coolant fittings that you need to replace every single time, turbocharger gaskets, the oil feed and drain gaskets, so you can get it done either by a professional or you can give it a try yourself. It's not too difficult of a job. It's nice and easy. BD has a long-standing history of high-quality, long-lasting machine manifolds, and we're excited to add the Ford 3.5 liter manifolds to our product line. Do the job once and save yourself from the known issues with the stock manifolds. Check us out and follow along with more SEMA releases at bddiesel.com.